It's me Alia from Alia's Crochet, and today we are going to be making this easy granny squares. So I will be showing you in the rounds of 1, 2, 3 and 4, which consist of some other videos like one row. This is the first part and you have to go for the second part as well as the third as well as the fourth. So this granny square is made by 4 rounds. And I have changed color for making these granny squares, but I'm not going to show you how to change colors because my new video will be showing you that. So we are going to making this granny square only with one color. So let's get started. Okay, so to make this granny square you need a 4.5mm hook or any hook size that is recommended on your yarn, and a cashmere yarn. But I'm using a dark purple color, so I'm going to start off by making a slip knot. I'm going to give you a link for making a slip knot, or if you cannot find the link in my description, you can just easily see my video which is available. Okay, so part 1 is showing you how to start the row 1. So row 1 is your main part. So you're going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to slip stitch in the last chain, this one, into this chain. So I'm going to place my crochet hook into the last chain, the left flank of the V, or what you call. Okay, however I got that. Please be sure to make this granny square, the foundation chain, which is chain 6, a little loose, because if you are making that tight, the last chain it's very hard to make your last chain. Slip stitch into your last chain. Now what you're going to do is you're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you are going to, this is just for a beginner. I just made this video for a beginner, so I'm going to say that if you're a beginner, whenever you make a granny square, make all the stitches loose, because if you're making them tight, it will be hard for you for making all that. Okay, so let's start row 1. Chain 3. Okay, this chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. I'm going to yarn over into the circle, this one. Chain 6 piece. Stab your hook into that hole or circle. Grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2. So here you get 2 double crochet. This is your chain 3, but that is also counting as your first double crochet. And again you're going to do the same process. So now you're going to chain 3. Chain 3, yarn over, stab into the center of the circle, yarn over, you have 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2, yarn over, stab into the circle, yarn over, pull from the circle, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. You get 2, then again you're going to do the double crochet into that circle, center circle. You have 3 double crochets now. You're going to chain 3. Yes, wait, I just wanted to say that whenever you are chaining this, please don't count this as the first double crochet, because this is this corner, because that is going to become your corner, this one. Only when you're starting, when you slip stitch and you're going to start the main part of the granny square, you're just going to chain 3, and that will count as your first double crochet, but this are your corners, they won't count as your first double crochet. Going to yarn over into the circle, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1, 2, 3. Can you see that? It's kind of a circle, a kind of square. That doesn't matter. You are on the right track if you are following this pattern. So now you're having 2 spaces and 3 double crochet clusters. So I'm going to chain 3, and this will be our last double crochet cluster. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have finished this. You can see how it looks. And to slip stitch, you're going to chain 3 again, because chaining 3, because you have only 3 spaces and 4 double crochet clusters, so we have to get 4 corners. So 1, 2, 3. Go into this 1, 2, 3, third chain from the hook, and slip stitch in the left leg of the V, and you can see your granny square main part. And this is how you finish row 1. Let's meet in row 2.